Today, we will talk about Nepal vs Netherlands T20 match, Indian Premier League, Sheffield Shield Final, and County Championship. Nepal won the toss and elected to field first. Asif Sheikh, Aryan Dutt, Julian Dime, Kushal Bhutel, and Shahab Alam made their T20 debut. Netherlands batted well and scored 136 runs in 20 overs. Bas de Leede scored 41 runs and Scott Edward scored 30 runs. Sandeep Lamachane took 2 wickets. Nepal looked great while chasing and chased the target in 15 overs. Kushal Bhutel scored 62 runs and Asif Sheikh scored 54 runs. Kushal Bhutel got Man of the Match award. Mumbai Indians won the toss and elected to bat first. They batted well and scored 150 runs in 20 overs. Quinton de Kock scored 40 runs and Kieron Pollard scored 35 runs. Vijay Shankar and Mujibur Rahman took 2 wickets each. Sunrisers Hyderabad didn't look good while chasing and got out on 137 runs. Johnny Bairstow scored 43 runs and David Warner scored 36 runs. Rahul Chahar and Trent Boult took 3 wickets each. Kieron Pollard got Man of the Match award. Queensland started the day at 286 for 3. They got out on 389 runs. Marnus Labuschagne scored 192 runs and Jimmy Pearson scored 36 runs. Sean Abbott took 4 wickets and Nathan Lyon took 3 wickets. At the end of the day, New South Wales are 140 for 5s. Daniel Hughes scored 40 runs. Sean Abbott is on 20 runs and Baxter Hall is on 10 runs. Xavier Bartlett took 3 wickets. New South Wales are 106 runs behind. Derbyshire started the day at 360 for 8. They got out on 390 runs. Harvey Hussain scored 83 runs. Ed Barnard took 4 wickets. Worcestershire got out on 305 runs. Tom Fell scored 65 runs and Ricky Wells scored 60 runs. Matt Critchley took 5 wickets. At the end of the day, Derbyshire are 268 for 5. Matt Critchley scored 84 runs and Wayne Madsen scored 66 runs. Daryl Mitchell took 2 wickets. Derbyshire are 353 runs ahead. Durham started the day at 148 for 8. They got out on 259 runs. Stuart Pointer scored 52 runs and Matt Salisbury scored 41 runs. Simon Harmer took 5 wickets. Essex scored 330 runs and got out. Paul Walker scored 77 runs. Dan Lawrence scored 76 runs and Ben Ellison scored 52 runs. Braden Carrs took 5 wickets. At the end of the day, Durham are 60 for 3. Jack Barnham is on 31 runs and Scott Borthwick is on 9 runs. Durham need 108 runs to win. Warwickshire started the day at 24 for 2. They got out on 201 runs. Sam Hain top scored with 72 runs. Stuart Broad and Dan Patterson took 3 wickets each. Nottinghamshire got out on 260 runs. Joe Clark scored 56 runs and Haseeb Hameed scored 53 runs. Danny Briggs took 4 wickets. At the end of the day, Warwickshire are 85 for 3. Will Rhodes scored 44 runs. Sam Hain is on 20 runs. Warwickshire need 248 runs to win. Hampshire started the day at 281 for 8. They got out on 319 runs. Brett Wheel scored 21 runs. Stephen Fenn took 4 wickets. Middlesex got out on 79 runs. Nathan Souter scored 24 runs. Muhammad Abbas took 6 wickets. Hampshire scored 290 for 8 and declared the inning. Ian Holland scored his second first-class century. He scored 146 runs. Sam Northeast scored 25th first-class century. He scored 118 runs. At the end of the day, Middlesex are 208 for 4. Robbie White is on 73 runs and Martin Anderson is on 25 runs. Middlesex need 323 runs to win. Gloucestershire started the day at 13 for 0. They got out on 309 runs. James Bersey scored his 6th first-class century. He scored 118 runs. Matt Taylor scored 56 runs and Chris Dent scored 50 runs. Somerset got out on 149 runs. James Hildreth top scored with 64 runs. Ryan Higgins took 4 wickets. At the end of the day, Gloucestershire are 28 for 1. James Bracey is on 10 runs and Craig Braithwaite is on 8 runs. Gloucestershire need 125 runs to win. Leicestershire started the day at 215 for 3. They got out on 375 runs. Sam Evans scored 138 runs and Lewis Hill scored 70 runs. Surrey scored 672 for 8 and declared the inning. Ollie Pope scored his 10th first-class century. He scored 245 runs. Jamie Smith scored his 2nd first-class century. He scored 123 runs. Jordan Clark scored 61 runs. At the end of the day, Leicestershire are 21 for 0. Hassan Azad is on 13 runs and Sam Evans is on 5 runs. Leicestershire are 273 runs behind. Lancashire started the day at 264 for 8. They got out on 305 runs. Tom Hartley top scored with 25 runs. Northamptonshire scored 177 runs and got out. Adam Rossington scored 49 runs and Simon Kerrigan scored 45 runs. Lancashire scored 296 for 7 and declared the inning. Stephen Croft scored his 14th first-class century. He scored 103 runs. Nathan Buck took 2 wickets. At the end of the day, Northamptonshire are 59 for 3. Ricardo Vescolos is on 22 runs and Luke Proctor is on 15 runs. Northamptonshire need 366 runs to win. Yorkshire started the day at 358 for 8. They got out on 379 runs. Steven Patterson top scored with 38 runs. Darren Steven took 4 wickets. Kent got out on 265 runs. Darren Steven top scored with 52 runs. Steven Patterson and Dwayne Olivier took 3 wickets each. Yorkshire scored 330 for 5 and declared the inning. Adam Leith scored his 26th first-class century. He scored 116 runs. Joe Root scored his 31st first-class century. He scored 101 runs. Harry Brook scored 66 runs. At the end of the day, Kent are 33 for 2. Daniel Bell-Drummond is on 24 runs and Matt Milnes is on 0 runs. Kent need 412 runs to win. Sussex started the day at 99 for 0. They got out on 481 runs. Stian Van Zyl scored his second first-class century. He scored 113 runs. George Garton scored 97 runs and Tom Hines scored 87 runs. Michael Hogan took 4 wickets. At the end of the day, Glamorgan are 258 for 5. Kieran Carlson scored his 5th first-class century. He is on 129 runs. Callum Taylor is on 33 runs. Ollie Robinson took 4 wickets. Glamorgan are 62 runs ahead.